All right, hello everybody. This is meteorologist Andrew Pinero with this very interesting Full Throttle Thursday. So I just got this morning the update from the Tesla app saying there was an update available. And now I have the full self-drive beta. I have not even gotten into the car just yet. So we are just about to enter the car, take a quick peek, and then we're gonna go for our first drive on full self-drive beta from Tesla. All right, so upon entering the Tesla Model 3, this is what I see. All right, so I'm greeted with full self-drive beta, the suspension program for being accountable, release notes, full self-drive beta. That's what it's gonna look like now, where the car is really gonna see everything. Drive visualization, cabin camera for autopilot improvements. So basically this is going to be watching me to make sure that I am not being distracted. Sentry mode, dog. So it's these ones down here I've had already. All right, so let's take a look at what's going to happen now. So it actually looks like I had to turn the switch on here. Yep, full self-drive limited release. Yes, I agree to consent to collection of the VIN, blah, blah, blah. I've read all this already when I actually requested. Do you want to enable full self-drive when it is limited? Yes. Okay. So we're going to leave this. You can choose chill, average, or assertive. I'm going to leave it in average. So it sees the road I'm on. And I believe, yes, I can get all of that. And it's also going to see the tentacle, which is this, where it's trying to go. It sees a person walking over there, which is that person walking out there. So it really captures everything. So in front, it's seeing 2 garbage cans and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars over there. So that is actually kind of accurate. So we see 2 garbage cans over there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars up there. So it does see quite a bit of it. All right, let's begin. All right, navigation's laid in. Looks like it's ready. Double click this to engage. And away we go. Oh, it's going pretty fast. We're gonna slow down here and that disengages it. Re-engage. Okay, it has the blinker on. Car is going here. It is clear since I'm making a right, and it goes. Oh. So I'm heading to a Tesla supercharger, and it's still preconditioning, but there we are seeing everything behind and in front. It's keeping up pace with the cars, but a little bit faster than I would go. So let's see what it does. It's creeping, and it's going. I'd say average is a little bit more assertive than I'm driving. Now we see the full visualization. All right, so there is a tractor trailer to my right somewhere, which it's actually picking up. It looks like that medical truck right over there as the tractor trailer. It's actually a thin tractor trailer, so it did get it pretty right. So now this is showing I have only 1 car in front, but there's actually 2 up there. And here we go again. Let's see how it handles this, because I am actually I'm in an okay lane right now. Usually I get over, because in a couple of miles there's gonna be a merge, and it looks like I handled that pretty well, where that person slowed down, make a turn. Previously it would be very cautious and delayed too. So normally I'd be getting over, because this lane ends. It's actually doing pretty well. This is why I waited so long from when FSD first came out to now, because it was very buggy then, but now it seems like it's going pretty well. So I see 2 cars in front of me here. That sees those 2 cars in front there. There's a couple of cars behind, and there's those cars behind. It even sees the cars coming on the other side. Actually, I'm in the proper lane now. So yeah, I did make that lane change ahead because that lane previously merged. And you can see the lane has ended here. It shows the red is the end of the road, the curb. Yellow is the median. It sees the lights up ahead. There's a car merging up ahead. And another one moving over a lane. It captured that very well.
In 1 mile, turn
right. That's not entirely accurate. I don't think I shouldn't be in this lane, but it's trying to get around. Okay. It knew that it was clear up ahead. Now I should be moving over to get to the Palisades entrance there, unless it's going a different route, which it looks like it is. I don't know where it's going. Normally I would get into the Palisades Mall right there, because the superchargers are off in the distance over there. And let's see, it's moving back over. Don't know where it's trying to take me. Okay, it's kind of cautious with these cars. I don't know where it's going. Unnamed road. We're just going for a ride. We'll let it kind of do its thing.
Now turn right.
Okay. I've never gone in this way, but let's see. Yep, I am.
In 500 feet, turn right onto South Route 303.
I kind of see where it's going.
Now turn right onto South Route 303.
I've never been this way before. And it blew through that stop sign.
In 500 feet, turn sharp right.
Okay, Palisades Center Drive. Alright, we're just really going on a joyride. I have literally no idea where it's trying to take me now.
In 500 feet, turn right onto Route 59. Now turn right onto Route 59.
Okay. Very weird. But it looked like it tried to avoid a sharp left. So it went through a couple of rights. It's seeing that car right there. Creeping forward. Creeping forward, it saw that car. It is clear after this. And there it goes. Okay, so now we're on the correct side. I think the map data might be just inaccurate or not updated. Because normally to enter the Palisades Mall here, I would be going up and over this overpass. I mean, this works too. I'm not going to really knock it, but here, yep, there we go. We're getting over. It didn't use a blinker, but it's going in. All right, we're in the mall.
Now you have arrived at your destination.
Okay, I am going to take over from here because we're at the mall. All right, we're back. We supercharged for a little bit. I didn't need much at the moment because I'm going to go plug in at home, but a little route. All right, so we are on the road. Let's see how it does getting back home. correct spot. There's a yellow. Good, blinker turns on. The tentacle there is correct because we are going that way. All right, and we are about to go. It's not getting into the correct lane there. So I don't know if there's a way to report that. Let me see, the old way I used to do was this. Yep. Someone said there was a button up here somewhere. I just don't see it. Okay, and we will re-engage the full self drive. I turned the blinker off, interestingly. We're supposed to be making a right up there. Okay, green, and we're going. Yeah, good. We got that correct. Some aggressive people here, and it made the turn properly. Awesome. So it looks like, from my understanding and kind of what I'm seeing here, it doesn't do well in parking lots. Changing lanes, good, because it needs to be over there. And also, it's slower traffic. There we go. Because once I have it for that offset, it tries to get to around 60, probably within whatever the target max speed is. It tries to get within a couple of miles per hour of there. But we're in the correct lane now anyway. Alright, let's see. It should be moving over now. And it is. And we are in the correct turn lane. Because that left turn lane is either for making the U-turn to go back down that road there, or it's for making, when we go into this road, there's two lanes that merge. One, the left lane over there, that lane is a left turn only, that would go into the left turn only on that side. So we are in the correct lane. Doesn't show road markings on here, but it shows the visualization. Look at all that. I don't even have to show you the view ahead because it's literally the same thing. Look at that. And look at that. That's really cool. All right, we have green arrows. There we go. So that car is making the U-turn, as I said, is available. Oh, there's a Tesla behind us. Ah. All right, we are in the correct lane right now, which is awesome. All right, so normally I would be turning here. Oh, wow, it sees it. And oh, it's turning. It ended the full self-drive because it panicked, so I'm taking over right now. All right, so all in all, I'm pretty impressed. I would give this an 8 out of 10. So it seems like, and from what I've seen online and what I've seen here, it's not really designed for parking lots very well. But for regular roads, it handled pretty well. It did blow one stop sign. Traffic lights, it handled beautifully. And there was one other weird thing that you saw earlier in the video. But overall, yeah, this is pretty good. And I don't have to use this all the time. There is a switch that I can turn this back off if necessary. Otherwise, I just drive manually with the special visualization there. All right, so overall, pretty good. Again, as I've said in my Tesla Model 3 review video, think of this full self-drive as, say, a 16-year-old that just got their learner permit. The car is learning. So that was the way it was before. Now, all right, so you gained a little bit of experience. I would still say it has its learner's permit, but it's doing much better than it has. Alright, so this is meteorologist Andrew Pinero. I hope you enjoyed this first drive in full self-drive. I will have more content coming out later. Alright, have a great rest of your day, everybody. This is meteorologist Andrew Pinero. Stay safe, and I will see you all in the next video.